Alright, I want to listen to a song you R. Kelly do. It name Shut Up. Big song, big song, big song. Listen to a song yeah. It moved me, trust me. You know that song yeah.
Shut up. Now that I've got my voice back, let me start off by saying that I appreciate the fans around the world that had my back. And I just want to thank God upstairs for keeping his hands on me, keeping all the doctors focused through my surgery. Now, there's a couple of things I gotta get off my chest. Some serious issues that I must address. So, well, let's just get right to it. People say that I was done. Say there was no way this time he's gonna overcome. And even before the doctors was done and I could awake, a tsunami of rumors had come to wipe my career away. After 22 years of a blessed career, they had me lying in my hospital bed crying mad tears. Ooh. But just as I had many people hate me, I had so many people loving me. And let's not forget the hood around the world covering me. And to everybody that be calling me, telling me what they be saying about me, bringing me all of this negative. Y'all the ones I ain't with. It's time for me to evaluate the people that I let up in my space. Can I get a witness for all of this? So you were all up in your business. Tell them, shut up. Tell them, shut up. Tell them, shut up. I'm talking to you. Tell them, no. Shut up. Tell them, oh, shut up. Tell them all, shut up. And tell them, I'm talking to you. He's washed up, he's lost it, he ain't got it no more. Well, I'm here to tell you today, boy, you haters are so slow. And it saddens me to know some of y'all want me to go away. But when it's time for me to go, my God is gonna orchestrate you. Until then, I will accept the stones, pray and just try to get along. But sometimes it's so hard for me to be strong. I got kids and I'm trying to love them. So many things I'm trying to juggle. But I never thought this music would become my struggle. Oh, the news said I lost my house. My own people put me down. And my friends no longer around. Oh, but you see deep underneath the surface, now I feel something's working in my behalf. A victory is near, yeah. My future ain't my past. It's not the end of the hourglass. Who said it would not last? Man, sick things. Tell them, shut up, shut up, shut up. Tell them, shut up. I'm talking to you. Shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up, dog. Shut up. If you're talking now, I'm talking to you. Now seriously, after all these hits and melodies and memories, you compare me to someone else. OMG. Now no offense to the other artists, but come on dog, let's be honest. How many babies been made off me? OMG. Seriously, you gonna act like that? Sit there like it ain't no truth to that. Looking at me like I ain't talking stats. OMG. Every boy, every girl, every child around the world, from the 90s up until the day was made of me. Shut up.
Big song, big song. Big song, big song. Rate the song, trust me. Me not have to say nothing more upon that song here because the man don't speak everything in the song and don't say when he say in the song. Because the man mention all the who but put him down. Him say him own people and put him down. You see me I say. And he mention all the way I go through. You see what me I say. So great song R. Kelly. Thumbs up and big up yourself again. Straight. Gone on the top again R. Kelly. Straight. Yeah man. You see? The people them where we condemn, it's not them people that God condemn. You see the people them where you hate, it's not them people that God are gonna hate. You see what me I say? So the people them where we put on, it's them people that God pick up. You see me? So a lot of people was putting down R. Kelly. Even the same musician them, artists. You see me? And the same thing I go on in Jamaica same way. Because you have a lot of artists that put on artists. You have a lot of artists. I push the artist one side. I don't know, but you see, whenever you are talented and blessed by God, there's nothing no one can do to stop you. That's what I say. So, thumbs up again, R. Kelly. Big song, great song, wonderful song. When I hear one Donatello say this song, one Donatello say this song, move me. It moved me, brother. Because the man a speak reality, what happened to him. If a man can sing about what happened to him, how can you stop a man like that? You see what I say? And like the man come and hide nothing or go on corner. He did the song like it's a conference in there. Like what I'm saying, R. Kelly call a press conference to perform. You see what I say? So basically you have to say it's a press conference him call to perform. Him just call that he speak his mind to the world. Not just to the people who come at the press conference, but to the people them. He want the world to know sir. All these accusations what them put upon him is not so. Thumbs up R. Kelly and may the good Lord go with you. Trust me. All good people are gonna rise. All good artists will always rise. That's why I say, yo, you see me? I am not the best dancehall young artist because I have other artists out there who spit better song, better rhyme and me and thing. But when me I say, I keep it real. When you're humble and I go through life, you know, a lot of people will hate you. Trust me. Because if them hate Jesus, you come to save them. Who is me and you? So, and R. Kelly mentioned as a part of the song. You see me? When him say when it is time for him to go, him good Lord. You know? Just listen to the song. Big song. Great song. Wonderful song. Grammy song. Yeah. Nah lie. Grammy song. Gold song. Straight. Thumbs up R. Kelly. And big up all the R. Kelly fans them. Straight. Yeah man. Me one of them, you know. And ever since. Not because me say Vybz Kartel are my Jamaican artists. Yeah. I love all the Gaza artists them. Straight. Yeah man. Because them bad. Yeah. So. But for R&B artists, me have a lot of R&B artists I listen to. But I rate R. Kelly. You see me? R. Kelly is a good artist. And any artist will go through the struggle like R. Kelly and can fight back like how R. Kelly fight back. Thumbs up to you. Yeah. You don't know the thing already, you know. At the done. Just did I do a look a pre-interview and then we say a little thing pan it. And I want to know all pray for me and that I may get help throughout my musical career because there's a lot of artists out there that stifle each other and fight each other and hold on each other. So me I say. And I am not one of those artists who bad mind nobody. Matter of fact, I no bad mind nobody at all. That's what me I say. So I'm not an artist where hype and show off, but I love music from my heart as a chronic should I say. Do it for the love, you know, do it for the hype. A lot of these artists I do music just to get a hype. You see me? Yes, a lot of these artists. When I say artists, I mean like some of them big artists or young artists. Yeah, enough of them I do this. I not even talk about the big artists them because them man they know they set the foundation. I not this no elder. I mean not this no one. But I say yo, the big artists them in the business long time. We have set the thing. You see me? Yeah. Humble yourself and go through. But enough of them young boy we are boss and I go through. Them not humble themselves, man. I be a badness them a deal with and them you know me I say, hype up the thing and I try and mash up the thing. So one done now if me get my break, me I show them how to do the thing. You see me? Yeah, straight. Anyway, I'm out, you know, cause you don't know. Me have to use R. Kelly song and close this, cause trust me. R. Kelly bad. Just a look apart me I use. You see me? Yeah man. So thumbs up, good night, and have a blessed day. Have a blessed night, should say. Me I say day, the day done already.
Shut up, I'm talking to you,